Let's take this journey once and for all and see what the outcome will be. Many don't know the possibilities of making profit. Let me take two positions. And let's check on candlestick pattern. Let's see the deal. This is the deal. The good. All right. This is the market. All right. Let's see. Can you see what is counting? How much did you see? Watch here. From here to this place. Can you see it? So even in this place, you have an opportunity. Can you see it? What I'm showing you is what you can do. That when there is an agreement, look at it. Everything works as you expected it. As simple as that. This is the indicator. So if we should add Bollinger Band now, let's just use the default settings of Bollinger Band. This is the Bollinger Band. Let's see. Let's add the candlestick. Let's operate from the 5 minutes aspect of it. Can you see this? It's very simple and very clean. If you are to operate from the 5 minutes time frame, you will know that presently the market is trending below. So you should not be in a hurry to place for either a sell or a buy. But if there is anything you should trade and hold for some time, it should be on sell. But at this point, since the gap between this one and this one is not that far, since the gap between this and this is not that far, you should stay clear, because soon it may break out from this place and start moving up to this direction. This is how you can do this thing. So if you are trading this today, if you are trading light today, if you are trading coin today, and you are trading this light, this Litecoin light, this is what you should be doing. I told us that we'll be covering almost everything about cryptocurrency, forex trading, finance, commodities, and whatever it may cost you. So follow this very simple thing. If you want to trade on coin dailies, follow this thing. You will see how simple and possible it is. It's not impossible. It's possible. It's not impossible, it's possible. When I mean it's possible, I mean it's possible. So you are trading this Litecoin, and this is what we'll have in the now. This is what we'll have in the now. Check the price of the market today. Check what you have in the market. So if we are to trade with $25 now, with the capital strength, we'll think of going this direction, sell. We'll think of going to sell direction. That is what I'm thinking, and that is what I did now. So peradventure you place your trade and you get to a point and you don't want to hold, you want to close it. Look at it. You want to close deal. Look at it here. Please confirm closing the position. The market is against the profit I just made. Are you seeing it? So the market is against the profit I just made. So the market, look at it. It's not that it's not on profit, but while I was explaining, the market hit above that income and the market is still pushing down to profit. Check this place, it's still pushing down, still pushing. Check below here, check here, check here, check here. So if I want to add new deal, I have the opportunity. This is the market that I placed. Watch how we'll move. This is what we do. Are you following? Are you following? This is it. Look at it here. Look at it here. It's still going down. It's still counting. I have few minutes for it to expire, but in case I don't want to hold this long, I can close the trade. But since the market is going into my direction, I don't see any reason to close, because it's going into my direction. Let me show you the candle. Let me show you the candle. It's counting. It's still counting. Look at it. It's counting. It's counting. I have 51 left. Can you see what is happening? Just few minutes to go and the market, the profit is almost off. Are you seeing it? So this is why anytime you are making trades and you see a profit that is you see the profit, you are not supposed to hold for a long time. You should close it before it pulled you down. But one of the benefits of this is that what you will lose is your capital. And you get what I'm saying? What you will lose is your capital. Are you seeing it now? So even at this point now, you can change, you can decide. Look at it. Do you see what happened? At the end of the market, look at it. At the end of the market that I placed, at the end of the market, I made no profit here. Please always be careful. Always be careful of this. See, look at it. I was around 41 or thereabouts. This. But because I set my time for 2 minutes or there I am 2 minutes or thereabout, the first one I came back with this. Watch the trade I've made. Watch them. I lost here. Now, but this time the market was pushing. Finally, what I should have been doing at that point is to close it. Like if you check now, the market will still go below my direction. So this is how practical this thing can be. So when you analyze using this strategy, it can work perfectly for you. Then don't be greedy. When it shows up, please do yourself a favor to close the trade immediately, and you will not regret you do so. So what are the indicators we have here? The indicators we'll have, number one indicator we'll have is moving average 10. This moving average 10. Then moving average 5. This one, you make it EMA, exponential moving average, make it EMA. That is what we'll have. Then the second one we'll have is moving average. The second one we'll have is moving average. Moving average 15 EMA. That is the white one there. Then the other one is moving average 25. The other one is moving average 25. Moving average 25. EMA. Please follow these things and you add the Bollinger Band. Add the Bollinger Band. Add the Bollinger Band. Look at what we have here. This is what we have here. This is what we have here. This is what we have here. I can remove all. Look at it here. This is what we have. Let me remove all of them. This is 5, 15, 21, and the Bollinger Band. Look at it. This is the current market. This is how plain it is. Then adding the moving averages. 5 EMA. This is it. This is it. Then I come back again. 15 EMA. I make this one now white. This is that white you're seeing there. Then I come back again. 21. I change the color to something like this. 21. Then I add that Bollinger Band. The Bollinger Band. The bottom line is this you are seeing, and the deviation is 25. The period is 25 and the deviation is 3. So just use the default settings like this so that it will not confuse you. So right now, the opportunity to place trade is here, but we have to check something. The whole line have crossed. Let's see what is going on in 30 minutes time frame. Let's see what is going on. 30 minutes. This line is yet to break out. This line is yet to break out. So if we are to trade here now, if we should trade here now, we should be targeting on taking only on at least all right, good. I place a deal. I placed a deal. Are you following? I place a deal. This is my deal. This is my deal. You know, from this angle here. This is the profit. So this is what I do. I've made 12 already. So what can I do? You close it. Do you see? You have taken a profit of 12. This is the move. Just this is the profit. This is this $12 entered. So I just want to show you, in case you place trade and you see profit, don't hold for like until it gets to the time and close by itself. You can close it. It has the opportunity for you to close it. Some people are complaining that this thing, you place trade but you cannot close until the time reach. That is not true. Just that you don't know how to close it. You know, I've already closed it and the profit is added. All right, so this is what you do here. If you want to know more about this, please chat me up in my private and I will explain it more to you. And please, thank you for subscribing to my channel, and thank you for supporting us. To all my returning subscribers, you are great people. Without you, GDFS will not be here. It is because you are there, that is why I'm here. And I want to make this announcement. Please, so many people are frustrating themselves in the name of GDFX. I don't have any investment platform. The Telegram group I just created, people have hijacked two of them. Each time I open a thread, I created a channel, people will hijack it, use my picture on Facebook, on YouTube, and come back to those places. And the other one has about 2,000 something followers. The other one has about 1,000 something followers. And people are paying in. I don't know. I am not that person. I am not involved in any investment platform. Please, when you see those things, disregard it. Somebody called me that he paid $1,000 for mentorship, thinking that it was me. Please, if we have not had a private chat on WhatsApp, please, that is not me. I have group, and this thing is really affecting us. The other one is giving out signals, and someone chatted me and sent me some of the losses he made. I cannot ask you to use a loss size of $5 to trade boom or trade volatility. I cannot do that. But this one asks them to place trade with higher loss size, and they are making huge losses. Some of them showed me their losses, and they are criticizing me when I am not the one that did that. Please, I beg you, disregard those things. I am not that person. Even on the challenge that we are doing, I will never ask you to place trade with such a huge loss size, and I'll never decide what you do. I am not a financial advisor. I only give you teachings and directions on how you can use your own hand and place your own trade with the profit and losses at your own detriment. Please don't ever think that GDFS is indulged into such act, and I will never do those things. I have only one YouTube channel. Any other YouTube channel parading as GDFS, that is not me, and it can never be me. I have only one YouTube channel. Any other thing we are seeing is not GDFX. Please get that in mind. It's not GDFX. I am a simple person. I am not after too much money, but I love money so much. So anyone asking you to pay $10,000 for me to divide myself and put into you, that is not me. And ask anyone that have been under my mentorship class. I am considerate. I cannot ask you to pay above $2,000 for mentorship. I cannot do that, because I know that money is hard to earn. So I cannot ask you to sell your land or sell property just for you to do this. So even if you need mentorship, chat me in my WhatsApp and make sure that you confirm that it is me. Make sure that ask me some questions that requires a clarity, and I will be happy to answer you to prove that it is me. And one thing I cannot do is to call you to ask you, you said you need mentorship. That is one thing I cannot do, because what I have suffered to learn, I cannot beg you to learn from me. One thing I can do is to encourage you because of the benefit you will get from it, and it will never be free. That is one thing you should know. My name is GDFX. I am signing out. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for being there.